I just wanted to pop my head in and say hi and tell you a little bit about my channel. So I am vegan and I am also gluten-free. So generally my videos are about vegan gluten-free recipes, but the whole point of this video is about how you can discover what foods do suit you and what does help you to maintain optimal health and energy, which of course derives from our food. Today's video is a what I eat in a day. However, make sure you do stick around because at the end of the video, I'm going to explain what is coming up in my next video, which is very exciting. And I think you'll like it too. Okay, so with all that out of the way, sit back, relax, and let me show you why I eat what I do in a day.
It's really important for me to have enough energy to get through all the activities I do in a day, which made me realize that a liquid diet up to a certain point in my day actually helped my digestion, and in turn I gained more energy and lost weight. I was diagnosed with pretty much every autoimmune disease possible, and I suffered from chronic fatigue. And that's when I thought, enough is enough. I need to take charge of what's going on in my diet, or actually my lifestyle, that's causing my energy to be low.
No, not half, but quarter.
Cuarto. Ah, un cuarto.
Quarter?
Cuarto.
Going to have my pineapple juice with my berries. That's the start to my day.
Why I'm so specific about this is because I'm always trying to increase the oxygen to my blood, which increases my energy. This soup I designed for myself to help my digestive fire throughout the day. I'm usually hungry for this by around 1 p.m. when I take my next break in my work routine. You can find the benefits of all the ingredients because I just made this for my channel. By around 2 p.m. or sometimes as late as 4 p.m. is when my body starts to crave food. My tummy starts growling and I feel really kind of starting to feel empty inside. So this is also normally around the time I finish my work, and therefore I'm feeling probably a little depleted. And it's when I allow myself to kind of relax and eat what I like. I will mention here, I do know what's best for my body, so I do kind of limit my food intake to those foods that I know digest well. So usually a few times a week, possibly 2 to 3 times a week, I do a fair bit of meal prep. And then that's kind of like my meals for the next few days that I incorporate with whatever foods I have prepared. I really only have one main large meal. So that can depend. It could be any time from around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. And remember, I'm really only having liquids. And then I have this main kind of meal. Okay, I'm going to admit here that I'm a sucker for vegan sweets and desserts. I generally make at least one dessert a week that gets me through, but most weeks, honestly, if I'm telling the truth, I experiment and devise a recipe either for the channel or for my business. So even though I have my one sweet, I also end up having probably another one, to be fair. Today, you get the privilege of seeing me make one of my favorite desserts, which is blueberry crumble bars. And I'm telling you, these are so tasty and so easy to make. What I eat seems to satisfy me. So I kind of have that balance of knowing what my dosha needs or my constitution needs, and also incorporating the 6 tastes of Ayurveda into my daily food. And I will drink water throughout the day. And I often have a few cups of herbal tea as well. And for snacks, I don't really need them, but if I did, it would be almonds and maybe some fruit in the morning. Okay, as promised, we're at the end of the video now, so I can tell you about my little secret that I want to share with you for my next video that will come up in this series. So of course, I'll be doing some videos about food in between. I decided that it would be great to share with everyone about how I lost the weight and how, most importantly, I've been able to maintain this weight. So don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on so that you know when that video will be released.
Okay, so I think that's it. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.